I know some people, they would die for me. We run together. They're my fam.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to this vlog. So I'm cooking jollof rice today. I need to do laundry. I need to make Jasmine's hair, and I'm still cleaning the house. So everything on me today. But Obi will join me later and help me to hold Diana. Right now he's not home, but he'll be back by noon. You guys, I'm wearing pajamas and I'm still using this thing to cover. The heater is on. I've been so cold. For the past days, I've been complaining about cold. And I'm also under the weather. Yesterday, what happened? If you watched my last vlog, you remember that I had encounter with that lady at the bar and how we resolved it. You guys, I just ended the video in that vlog while I was going to meet the lady. I didn't really tell you guys what transpired when I got there. When I got there, she saw me and she was like, I've called my bank. The problem is not for my bank. What did your bank say? Then I told her everything that happened at the bank and how the money came back to my account. Then she saw that I've already withdrawn the money because I collected money from the bank so I could pay her with cash. When I was going to deliver the coffee to the teachers, she asked me not to go with the juice. Hold on. So she said I should go without the juice. This is the juice, this classic normal juice that everyone can take. Maybe you have allergy or something. This one is pesca, so it's just pesca. It's not mist. So that was why I bought it. And she said I should not go with it. I should go with only the coffee. But when I was going to pay for the coffee, I went to deliver to the teachers. She was like, no, you have to take this juice. It was 2 I got for this. You need to take the juice, blah, blah, blah. I was like, but you asked me not to go with the juice. And I've already gone to deliver the, coffee to the teachers. And at the time I went back and forth with the bank, the school already locked their gates. And there's no way I can go in to go and deliver juice again. She was like, go and press the bell, they will open for you. In my head, it doesn't even make sense. So I just didn't want to go back and forth with her. And I prioritized my peace. I don't want to go have issue with anybody. Because even yesterday, I was not even feeling fine. Although I didn't mention in that video, I wasn't really fine because I was having sore throat. So I just took the juice and I came home. That was how we now resolved the whole thing. I drank one of the juices yesterday, and this morning, I drank this one. Some people are just troublesome normally, and I know what exactly she was trying to do yesterday. She was trying to be racist, but I just didn't want to give in to that. So I just handled the situation calmly and respectfully, because the whole I want to call the police, I will call the police, and she was calling the police. She called 2 different police. She called Polizia and she called the Carabinieri. And the same answer was what they gave her: resolve this among your bank. Some people are just crazy. When they see you are a black-skinned person, they want to resist you and act funny. So these Italians say, nowhere racist, not there. No country where no get racist too. Even in our own country, Nigeria, they say they do tribalism. Let's forget about that. Anyways, I want to cook jollof rice, and at this point, they should even give me a nickname and be calling me Jollof Rice Girl, because I don't know how I moved from fried rice to being jollof rice favorite. So I'm parboiling my stew base for the jollof rice. I did 3 kinds of tomatoes. I've not done this before, but I do not have tomatoes again at home. I just checked there and I had just 3 cans, which won't be enough. So I was having some seed tomatoes here. I blended it, so I've allowed this thing to cook for a very long time so it doesn't have that sour taste. Anyways, I don't even know how to measure this rice and get the exact quantity. But let me use my eye and idea. Let me check the stew base. I might get it right, I might get it wrong. My spirit is telling me to add more. Should I follow my instinct? Let's follow my instinct. I don't like situation whereby my stew base will overpower my rice, and I don't like situation whereby my stew base will not be enough. I don't know if you guys understand. I have washed my rice thoroughly, so I'm going to add it to my tomato stew. I'll be tomatoes base. You guys, if you see the way my kids are screaming my name, Mama, sometimes, oh God, I will just feel like running away. The mama will just be overwhelming. Jasmine is calling Mama. Diana is calling Mama. Oh, what's happen? Diana that used to call Dada. Since she started calling Mama, my life has never been the same. She don't call me Mama like I said she won't call me to glory.
Stay forever, my family, solid as they come, baby, doing it just for fun, baby, one by one, baby.
I have told you guys several times we don't have balcony in this house, so this is how we are managing to hang our clothes outside. It's not comfortable, it's very uncomfortable, but what to do? We don't have a choice. You guys, I am done cooking. You see this jollof? It's really jollofing. Oh my God, the taste is out of this world. The taste is superb. So I called hubby to buy banana as he's coming back. I need to eat it with banana. So this is my turkey. I didn't really allow the turkey to dry so much because of Jasmine. She's been complaining that it's too dry. So I'm always leaving it to look a bit moist and soft, not too dry. Although I like my very, very dry. So it's fine. Hey guys, welcome back. Where is this? Okay. I went to lie down and relax. I left everything I was doing, had my bath, and I went to chill because baby girl is sick and I needed to be pampered. Although I still needed to be a mom, but at that point I was just down. So after I finished eating, I just went to relax. So now it's currently 7:57, which is almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. in the evening. I want to weave Jasmine's hair like cornrow or all back. In fact, the simplest thing I can do this night, that's what I want to do. See, you guys, since Diana started calling Mama, oh, help me, Lord. Diana, Mama, every single time. Like, when they say 60 seconds make 1 minute, inside that 1 minute, Diana will call me 59 times. I am so drained. Don't fall down, Diana. They can't even see you. Dada. Sorry, Jasmine. Sorry. I newly washed her hair. I just washed this hair not quite long. And it's getting dry. That's why it's difficult to comb out. But I still will put a bit of this moisturizer that I mixed in that water to help out.
There's nothing more important than time with your family.
Steady, where I put you. What are you looking at? Don't look at the camera.
No matter how we grow, I want you all to know
Turn gently.
I'm grateful for every memory, and I want you to always remember me, 'cause I love my family. I love my
You guys, I didn't tell you guys that Diana have started walking. I think I only just posted a clip. See, my baby injured her lip. She fell. Since she has been walking, my God. When she started earlier, she started falling and then she stopped. All of a sudden, she started again, and now she don't even want to crawl again. She just wants to be walking, and now she's falling. She injured her lips. See, you can see her lips. She injured her lips, but I'm so happy that Diana is finally walking without support. Even on her birthday, you guys saw that I was supporting her to stand. She didn't even want to stand. That's why on her birthday photo shoot, no picture of Diana standing. She was sitting. So I'll put some clips for you guys. I'm really so excited, like very, very excited. Although it's she started walking a bit late, but doesn't matter. Does it really matter? The important thing is that she's walking. Anyways, I want to close up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Just eat your food now. Come finish your food.
Thank you for watching.